Welcome to my channel Quest. In this video, we are going to discuss what is family life education. Family life education is simply an education in values and relationships. One would like to know the meaning of the term family life education to understand simply what it is and what role it is being played in one's life or society, apart from the impacts and benefits it imparts. As such, one can find numerous explanations and briefings in the textbooks, articles, as well as on the web. Yet, I would like to present here the crux of FLE, Family Life Education, as it is called, in a simple and straightforward way, understandable even to a school student of social studies. So, let us jump straight into the topic and proceed further. Family. A family is nothing but a community of people living together in an environment, a place of caring, sharing, and living together. A family consists of individuals. The individuals in the family may be related to one another in one way or the other, like father, mother, and children, to mention the basics. The head of the family is mostly the husband. Wife and children live alone. Leave alone the others such as grandfather, grandmother, uncles and aunts and grandchildren, to mention a few. Except the parents and children, others do not come in the picture of nuclear family, which we will be discussed a little later. As such, a group of individuals make a family. You may be aware that an individual cannot live alone. This means that the individual has to depend on others or groups, that is societies, for so many requirements like food, clothing, shelter, and security, and so on. This shows that the family has to live in a society. The individual has to look to others for his needs and services. Society consists of groups of families living together. So, individuals live in a society because the individual comes from the family. We can call society the community of persons. Hence, to meet the needs and services, the individuals, rather the family members, have to interact with themselves and with society. The members in the family, who are individuals, possess a series of interrelationships among themselves. They interact for so many reasons to live in society. The interrelationship is the strong bonding force among the members for their happy and successful life. The peaceful and harmonious life are the end product of society when they achieve their interrelationship in top rank. Basically, the family members may not possess the right and adequate know-how for healthy relationships. To develop this strong interrelationship, family life education imparts the necessary knowledge and skills to the youngsters, because the youngsters are the budding responsible parenthood members of the family as well as the society. As it unfolds, we go deep into the sound system of family life education in the coming videos. Thank you for watching this video. Please record your comments. in the comment section below. Please click like, share with others. Please subscribe to watch more videos like this. Thank you.